This is not a sponsored video. During my visit, I found this store really intriguing, filled with items true to African culture. Hence, decided to share it with you all. African Trading Port. In this video, I will be taking you to a walking tour of a shop which is practically Africa under one roof. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hi, welcome to my channel Suntanned On Road Trips. My name is Sunny and I have been traveling solo around the world for the past few years now. So here to share my experience to help you plan your dream vacation better. But enough of that, let's get this video started. In Cape Town, it is located at the backside of the V&A waterfront near the pier head. Nestled in the old Captain's building, it is a shop with 3 floors, each showcasing unique items in each floor, and a museum at the attic as well. This is the first floor. Here you will find wide variety of items from tribal mask, African figures and sculptures of various shapes and size, and also different types of wooden craft works as well. On the second floor, part of the space is used as an exhibition center, showcasing African artwork of well-known local artists, some of which are put up for sale as well. Apart from home decor items, in this store, you will also get attires for both men and women and semi-precious ornaments for ladies on the ground floor. The other half of the floor hosts Zulu shields, spears, bow and arrow, along with other sculptures and home decors. Interesting facts. Most of these tribal masks are meant for performing certain rituals. Some could be for voodoo rituals as well. So would you care to buy one? Do let me know in the comment section. At the attic, it is a museum which is free to enter, and you will find other cool stuffs from different African tribes. From African tribal ornaments to shields and weaponries, and also the potteries that they use. Overall, it is a very unique place to explore and buy souvenirs for family and friends. And if you have deep pockets, then my friend, you can even buy real animal heads and skins for wall decor as well, legally. But would you?